na mwandiki wa clinic officers wono irikone right Mosin kuona ito kitheta not once not twice ukiwa iaka healthcare ndene Meru ite priority ibyo byongwa biweta na mbere na ina mbura ya mbere yo burira.
Thank you very much Edward. Nkedi Meru na ibaya ni ntuba komba kwitha wetweta nikenda tumba kwitha twikaro iga siasa tumba kwarite thinicha thina ugima wa mwiri and in Meru County ando ndikinyite antamo tukore tukaina bo mwankari onto challenge ira tuna chende na Meru County ni nyinge mono na the most unfortunate thing kwitha twina thirikari itikwelewa thina cia ugima wa mwiri ni riko ukuweta boya muno ngitire level 5 mwananchi na kurika na ngitire level 5 inda miariritie muno mwaka ju mwambiririo ara administration ya civitari ya ngawani untubongitiu na contract ya kureta healthcare system ira ya system ira ya kitumirika ku treat aje ira ya computer na ngitira bwana Mutembei ya budget 1.2 million i facility na thinere mwe atuma administration ya riku na ira tume CEO ura wariku engwa ikwetha CEO na arete ngitire ya double the price na arete either in a single contract sourcing ya mtu roba tere kwa contract mtu aya akero kwithia fulani other no contract you CEO akuria nengirwe na ayikurikia kwengwa ile rio executive yukirie ngitira ya me multiply me the 4.8. Unfortunately bwana Mutembei oni yante na thina na ngiti wako 4.8 million nonto
ndu na thina bi
nonto kwa arume wika bararire kwa baba ekera mondone na wika kikyo ba iwatachia lakini thirena ni kwithira ngitira yetherwe 4.8 kuma 1.2 pata change design na ngitira thai ngwenda to with experiment ibarure na njiro tumreka cho lori etaweri experiment ya hukumo ote lori hukumo enene kukethira na ikwena mwanki na fire extinguisher ende hukuma tene level 5 itianira ngiti kuringana ura yakiro na yakiro kae kanini nyonto nteko myakatha kabani ya chekenda matirini ya but nanga gari saloni peke yake hukuma kwa kwena tuko lori ya yeteo tuina bicha nyareme hukuma. Another thing bwana Edward ndene civitari chetu tuina thina inene muno ni karete akatu kwa supervisors baiku nyonto kata thaimo chari chetu ndene Meru County chionde chiori to 400% yakanyakine ya level 5 ya miathene chionde chiori nyonto bo challenges ya tuinachio watu iko tungata babo kwa ka ndene civitari zetu gutikwagira. For example weta ndene dispensary chetu ndene Meru County there are 76 now ira ina daktari umwe pa facility watri maina nurse uno batu kwandikira ndawa no batu kundispensa ndawa no batu kumuta chindano no batu kwaya na nchachamo koketha kwina services CCC no batero kubwithia ai daktari umwe aruore civitari kuma Monday mwanka Friday na kethetete muchamanio wiki report no bati kuruora civitari tete kuingora na bati kwethikiti report na ukethira kwina a lot of fatigue na burnout ya staff ira toke level 5 na nchokerie CEO na the management yeku thai nontu baretere ya one person one bed policy mbere ne kwetha kwina admissions wa 3 majiba kuria bathatu ndene ya itanda kimwe lakini kwire bwana Edward dia kwina policy ya one person per bed ikomaanisha kwena mwananchi wote kuona utungata na kwethira kethangika na muchie nontu ti ati kwetha gutena aje ikwetha civitari ni wira yongwa enough is enough. Unfortunately administration ye hukuma kurigana bwana bijewe aria ni bwana nontu no twitiranwe nturange tamani ochamanianwe lakini arongo chamanianwe thank you ibatite ba ko budget akiuma assembly nontu he was in the previous assembly era ya Kiraitu but it was budget rate I think 1.4 1.5 150 or 140 million cha kurikia munara ira yoremere kuthira munara yoyo wa ward block yaria ku decongest cibitari na wikaria torete one person per bed nini policy ni kwetha munara yoyo yoremere ntu yokiro 140 each year 140 million the first year ya current regime mbeche ndo temina chietire the second year bekirwa I think another 140 million which is totaling to almost 280 million ko ketha 280 million itikumba kuthikithiria na kire kwenda kiwikira miari wikira itanda ukaita chuka level 5
but I remember Kawira Mwangaza arawitwo ni Senate na uri baharikiri project but kirage already a certificate so I do not know ni aterikire na bwaburu wetarika
oni matini barachia omani na bua oma
yeah
inda were kintu kimo tuketha itukwenda wite iguru lazima twithia batu tukia company marwaria wetu na evidence na inda were ni untu county yetu tongozi twithi mabisho ma reverend ma pastor ni onda ora chia ma pastor ya kwa riorongo ina iguru riko twitite kiuri kigyo tungai ato karkinya oro nkamuria nuntu bishop na ma pastor yere yorongo munara yo yuri othai ni empty kinya mutho yoro kumira ikuo yuranjire kuria I think twina munda omwe muno mutho kwetha kwina antu ba agriculture babwitha tiari research no beta bakawikia mutho yo yukuo bakabwitha research munara yo utikuruta ngui na yo ikiri almost 280 million ira yabati kwetha yuthiritie unfortunately and the most unfortunate thing bwana ndi kwethira 280 million itaomba kuequip na kuthiria that munara ukata chuka level 5 governor wa nini wa Tharaka Nithi atumia 250 million ko renovate the whole level 5 nya ira ire all ni muthara ki dene nyambene region tweta latiane nembe na muthara ina vent capacity only 15 nteo metha arume baembe bateachwa lakini ko baenkinyanga na rola chamania bamwe mbere bakwacho marungo bange umeba ndimitwa kirua so ibayachwa na anto twitha to prioritize the nayu bwana Edward ikwithira ndene thirikari yetu ni the current one bila ba prioritize wakangate india lakini tikomba kwanira ngari
wow
kingi nkirikia thinera nene twinio tutina ndawa tureta roma box na ria muthia ndikurikia kuwa tukureta roma box na ndawa ira ciari kwinka ichata ndikorio wene ndaitirime ndu muru nuntu thirikari itikwenda kwiroma daima ninje na komoti cibitari and dispensary health center na ndawa na ngalevo fore koma wichiurira kingi nakyo mandaktari tutina bakwana na arua this month peke yake tuthite twena nurses 21 bara bari signere beta America na other areas nuntu bate kwa promoted assembly na michokeria nkatho muno nuntu ne atwikirire budget ya promotion na batwikira budget ya employment unfortunately twe kwandikira governor tomwira riwe ndi antu ibandikwe we arawire mbondi ikwe itiamba kwandika antu nuntu aishua itiomba kumwandikira antu bawe so we have 100 million lakini inatwikire batiomba kwandika
but they are legally in office
ibakuwa yes they are legally lakini governor atikwenda bandika na instructions za na kin department na itukumenya they have said so itibatiru kwetha bakiandika na aketha na wendo disapprove na andike royo awe over instructions ibandike but the fact is na wete kote andika no mbechi ire cha 211 million twekiro cha promotion turari muchamanio the other day but the only amount ira tukwa wa promotion 86 million 86 million ya the whole year and went daito mweri wa 11 next month twetete the 60th month of the year kumanisha ke 86 million ya chatumire 43 million na promotions inkaire kethe ikuma ikethe karutwa February 43 million ikenama na percentage ya baraba ande bataize ba promoter ni only 20% kibaba by edu na assembly atalete every multi wagima ba mwire I promoted madakta arimu ba ICD bandikwe onga bana nawe bateandikwa ba water ya daito batire kwetha twena engineers ba water botetheria wananchi kuomba collect ndoi ria gukura ngavana nya na arere kwa instructions nikenda bamba kwetha bakiandikwa niyo batu tukuria bwana Edward nyonte everything it's collapsing cibitari tina mandaitare tutina ndawa mochari yo kuyura bas ketha ngavana ate kwenda utwiriria na ate kwenda kuingia mbeca icio tiarwa na expand ni mochari ciethu nontu twina capacity ya 15 wa 3 months ni 90 baikuo kutina jotesa antu ba moyo na utesa antu bakuite.
You can't be serious, daktari. Daktari BJ, let me come here. Ndenda kuambiria na issue ya Public Service Board. Tutekure yamba ili ya court ibethire court ikiwa bakwengwa lakini ba appeal na baendelea kwithira bari obisina, right? Is it an excuse ya kuwa madaktari kana kariba Meru bakaandikwa kana ba promotwa simply because mtu nakwenda utumire excuse na kwena mbeca? Number 2, beti uti atengerwe, we are ending to the third quarter of the year. Ina mbeca hii eta Mheshimiwa BJ.
Thank you Edward na nkethi muthikiri na rakundi ali mbere mali assembly tango indongi sana kwa allocate mbeca na ita na guidance ya proposal budget related from the executive, so niyo betanagia niyo area collected by the executive. Problem with the execution butero executive niyo kwenda kwina thina, so that budget as much as basic were allocated, then etakire actual work watuika mbeca igatumira gitatenda watu, and that is criminal. It is very clear mbeca iria allocated by the assembly ni bwithweta gutumirwo na ukaja guta kwina any variation kana tofauti no muka within a short duration bwitha kutho ku notify assembly turatumire ina una ketha kwina any changes. So basically Public Service Board ikitwe court no governor na kiuga ite ite na that gender rule. A court here pronounced very clearly, and it was very clear it and the gender, it and both men and women na that their members who are ladies na better physically court. So the issue about the gender ya then upon advertisement the positions in the Department of Health within any good reason at all gavana kuga na gukira mbundi ereka kwandika bara kwenda because ngugie mbudi ikwandikana
bara kwenda ikumanisha
maybe possibly buga bara there are all something like that, but whatever the case go prompt kwandikwa meko gwitha kumage chief officer wa health
Kameru recruits health workers kana any other civil servants on basis of political goodwill.
That's a $1 million question. That is the kind of leadership in the county ya Meru.
I thought it is merit. Okay.
It's supposed to be. Yeah. It's supposed to be. Lakini you also understand in the leadership yongwa ina merit when the leadership of the county does not merit. Yongwa including nyango yongwa lita Dr. just mentioned about Mantu ya pastor nambi. Nonto some bishops to